Okay, let's get straight into it. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. How are we going, everybody? Today I'm going to be... No, I'm not doing an unboxing of my Idea 7. If you have a look at my last video up there on the screen, you'll see I had a little incident involving, well, initially the tello. I had a bit of a mid-air disaster with that to start with. And then, well, if you haven't seen the video, I'll give you a spoiler. Yeah, it fell into the fire. Yep. Check out the video if you want to have a look. So what I'm going to do now, I haven't actually touched this since it happened. So what I'm going to do is see if I can actually salvage this unit and get it flying again. Yeah. Extent of its damage. It's quite significant actually. Yeah. Okay, just to give you guys an idea, before, after, not good. As you can see, she's fairly melted. So, this motor here is significantly melted. This one here looks okay, and okay. Battery still comes out. Battery seems to be okay. So the camera moves, but you can see the camera is started to melt around the screen there. It's very melted all around here. Arms melted. This motor here, I'm a bit it's a bit dodgy. I think I'm a bit sus about whether that one's going to work, but you can hear that grind it's making. Anyway, what I'm going to do is put some props on, some new ones, and I'm just going to see if it actually takes off. Okay, alrighty. Cue the editing. Okay, welcome back. Very good. Okie doke. Okay, this will be the test, guys. Let's see if it fires up, and let's see what happens when we turn it on. Okay. Still pairs. Now this will be the noisy bit, I think. There we go. Look at that. This one here doesn't look like it's doing anything. Okay. Actually might want to take off. Okay. Will it fly again? That's one way to find out. Oh, it doesn't sound very good, does it? Oh my goodness. I don't believe it. Okay, so while the battery's charging up, what I'm going to prepare here is something completely stupid, and I'll probably regret it, but my little SQ here, I'm not going to try the camera on here, even though I think it works. I will test it, but I actually want to test my little SQ. So I'm going to mount it on here, and I'm hopefully not going to lose it. The thing is, where should I put it? Underneath? On top? I think we've just got enough room on top. Okay, so I won't be setting it up until hopefully it's connected to at least 8 satellites. with the Idea 7, if you're not connected to 8 satellites, then you're not going to have your GPS ability. So okay, let's get that battery in there and let's go fly. Okay guys, battery's charged. Mini DV cam stuck. Idea 7 slightly repaired. Let's go for a fly. Okay, so what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to actually see if the camera still works on this lightsaber, but let's get it up anyway. All it means is I'm going to have to try and control the drone before the GPS takes over. Yeah, it's noisy with those bent motors. Let's get some speeds going here. I shall record some video obviously, sorry, like I said I would. Hey, it seems to be flying guys, this is absolutely incredible. After it went in that fire. If you just tuned in, yeah, check out my previous video of the Idea 7 landing in a fire. Not good. Come on satellites, where are you? I'm not going up anywhere until I've got some satellites. And okay, right, you saw that guys, that is exactly what happened the other day when it landed in the fire. It seems to be flying nicely and without incident, and all of a sudden she just plummets to the ground. You saw it right there. Okay, I don't know if it's got anything to do with satellites, I don't think so. As you can see, there's plenty of battery power. I've got 44%, but for some strange bizarre reason it just plummets to the earth. There it goes again, and down she goes. So yeah, okay, I think it's probably cactus. I think she's cactus, mate. So even though it still flies, it's definitely got an issue of some sort. This started happening the day it went in the fire. Actually before it went in the fire this started happening. So I'm not too sure what the fault is. I do have a fair bit of trouble tracking satellites. I don't think that's got anything to do with it though. It just looks like it just seems to all of a sudden have a command of fall to the earth. It takes off okay. I'll just sit it here and just wait for it to basically crash. Okay, I won't do anything at all. There it goes. It's almost like it's timing itself out. I've looked at the settings here and I can't find anything. Not too sure why, but it's just landing itself. You can see I'm not doing anything I shouldn't be doing. And there it goes. You can just about time it down to your stopwatch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seconds. 48% batteries. It's not batteries. I think she's broken, folks. One more try. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 11-second flight time. Okay. Should give me enough time to get just the top of those trees, I reckon, and then I'm going to put the remote controller on the ground, and I'm going to try and catch it because it's going to come flying down. What I want to do is get an aerial shot of the surroundings with the camera, so I know, I'm silly. Fly, you fool! A bit. 6 satellites. Right, now it's going really crazy. Okay. Not to worry. Hopefully I got a little bit of footage from there. I think the Idea 7 is going to go onto the spare parts heap because, yeah, as you saw from that initial fall, it just plummets straight down when it feels like it. Yeah, unexplainable. Battery's got plenty. It was fully charged 6 minutes ago, so there should be heaps of charge left in it. Not to worry. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you got some giggles out of this, if not, oh, I apologise. And yeah, see you probably on the workbench. Yeah, catch you later.